So we have to start with chemical bonding. एक बार अच्छे से फोकस कर लो सब लोग, ये चैप्टर क्लियर हो जाएगा फिर आज। वेदांत, यू शुड मैनेज ना देन। वेदांत, इतना तो मैनेज कर सकते हो। नाम चेंज करने में कितना टाइम लगता है बताओ मुझे। प्रोफाइल में जाके सिर्फ टाइप तो करना है। केमिकल बॉन्डिंग। सो बेसिकली बॉन्डिंग क्यों होती है? बॉन्डिंग होती है टू गेन स्टेबिलिटी, राइट? टू गेन स्टेबिलिटी, और स्टेबिलिटी बढ़ेगी तो एनर्जी विल डिक्रीज, राइट? एनर्जी विल डिक्रीज। एनर्जी ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल। Okay, so after this we have done octet rule. Octet rule जिसमें हमने क्या देखा कि एटम वांट्स टू मेंटेन द एटम wants to maintain 8 electron in valence shell, right? 8 electron in valence shell by sharing or transferring electron, right? या तो इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करके या तो ट्रांसफर करके it will tend to maintain 8 electron in the valence shell. Okay. So हमने इसमें देखा था एग्जांपल शेयरिंग का भी एंड ट्रांसफर का भी। Atom want to maintain net electron in valence shell by sharing or transfer electron. उसके बाद we have seen exceptions to octet rule. Exception of octet rule. Exception of octet rule. So first one was incomplete octet. Incomplete octet, जहाँ पे octet complete नहीं होता, not 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन बल्कि उससे कम होते हैं, right? Less than 8 electrons. Less than 8 electrons. right? You can say BCl3, okay? BCl3, BCl, Cl, Cl. Boron has 3 electron in outermost cell. One is involved here, one is here, one is here. 3 are involved in bonding. अभी क्लोरीन का भी एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इन्वॉल्व है बॉन्डिंग में, एक यहाँ पे, one here and one here. Now you can see total 6 electron in the cell of boron, right? You can see total 6 electron in the cell of boron. There are total 6 electron. 6 electron. So this is less than 8. So octet is incomplete. Another example may be AlCl3, or you can say BeCl2, BF3, right? These are the another examples of incomplete octet. Okay. Next one we have done expanded octet. Second one, expanded octet. Expanded octet. Expanded octet. Yeah, Mohawk is right. Also called super octet. The expanded octet में क्या होता है? You can say more than 8 electron, right? Like P, Cl, Cl, Cl. That is PCl5. PCl5. Phosphorus has 5 electron in valence cell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now chlorine का भी एक एक इलेक्ट्रॉन आ गया. 1, 2, third chlorine, 4, and 5th chlorine. Now tell me how many electrons in the outermost cell of phosphorus now? You can see here, it has 10 electrons. So ज़्यादा electrons हो गए, right? Another example may be SF6, H2SO4, IF7. याद रखना NCl5 doesn't exist. NCl5 exist नहीं करता, OF6 भी exist नहीं करेगा, right? Because they doesn't exist because non availability of d orbital in the valence cell. Non availability of d orbital in valence cell. I hope this is clear, right? Odd electron molecule. Third one, odd electron molecule. Odd electron molecule. Examples, tell me. सर्वन AlCl3 में 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना आउटर मोस्ट ऑफ Al में. That's why that is incomplete octet. Odd electron molecule, you can say NO, N double bond O. नाइट्रोजन के आउटर मोस्ट में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन होते हैं, 2 यहाँ पे गए and 3 are remaining. One is like single, so it is odd electron molecule. NO2. Nitrogen has 5 electron. एक यहाँ गया, second, third, fourth, और एक बच गया, right? So this is odd electron molecule. After this, we have seen Lewis structure. Lewis structure. Lewis structure. So I have told you one example of NO3 minus, right? And 5 steps. NO3 minus with 5 steps. Step 1, please focus. Step 1, we have to count valence electrons, right? That is 5 plus 6 into 3 minus 1 charge hai, so plus 1, you will get 24. Now step 2, जिसकी इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी कम है, you have to draw that at center, right? So electronegativity is less for nitrogen. Nitrogen will be a center, oxygen, oxygen, and oxygen surrounding. Step 3, draw a single bond between central and surrounding. Right? Step 4, step 4 is complete the octet of surrounding atom. Complete the octet of surrounding atom. So here you can see ऑक्सीजन के पास अभी कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we have completed octet of surrounding atom. Now count total number of electrons. Count total number of electrons that we have drawn. We have drawn total 24 electrons here in step 4. And in step 1 we have 24 electrons, so both are equal. अगर मान लो ऐसा होता कि हमने यहाँ पे 22 इलेक्ट्रॉन ड्रॉ किया, हमारे पास 24 थे स्टेप 1 में, जो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बच जाएंगे, that we have to draw on central atom. But this is not the case here, right? यहाँ पे नहीं करना क्योंकि हमने 24 ड्रॉ कर लिए इक्वल. Now step 5. Step 5 is complete octet of central atom. Look here, N, O, O, NO. अभी नाइट्रोजन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है चेक करो. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 कम है for completing octet. We have to remove 2 electrons from any of the oxygen. I'm removing from here and making a bond, because one bond needs 2 electrons. Making a bond, I have to remove this electron from here now. I will remove from here. Okay. So this is the final structure for NO3 minus. Total charge is -1. This is total charge, right? After this, we have seen formal charge. Formal charge. Formal charge is equal to valence electron minus lone pair electron minus 1/2 bond pair electron, right? अगर मैं फॉर्मल चार्ज निकालूं, सपोज दिस इज my first oxygen, second oxygen and third oxygen. So formal charge on first oxygen. Formal charge on first oxygen will be valence electron 6 minus electron कितने बच गए 6 minus bond pair कितना है 2, right? You will get -1. So this oxygen has charge of -1. If I am talking about second oxygen, so formal charge on second oxygen will be equal to valence electron 6, electron you can see 4, minus 1/2 bond pair you can see 4. So you will get 0. So formal charge on this oxygen is 0. Now third oxygen, please focus. Formal charge on third oxygen will be equal to 6 minus 1/2, 2. You will get -1. So formal charge on third oxygen is -1. Now formal charge on central nitrogen. Formal charge on central nitrogen will be equal to valence electron 5, electron you can send 0, minus 1/2, bond pair you have 8. So you will get +1. So formal charge on central nitrogen is +1. So by adding these charges, you will get overall charge as -1. Tell me, is this clear? इतना clear है? Tell me. Okay. आई होप सबने नोट्स तो लिखे हुए हैं. मैंने ग्रुप में भी शेयर किया था नोट्स, जहां तक मुझे याद है. Types of bonds. Types of bonds. Types of bonds, right? That may be, you can say, first one, ionic bond. Ionic bond, that is formed by transfer of electron, right? Transfer of electron. Like you can see here, Na has 281 and chlorine has 287. So it transfers 1 electron from Na to chlorine, right? It will transfer 1 electron to make this Na plus, that is 28, and Cl will get converted to Cl minus 288. Now they combine with each other. They combine with each other to form NaCl solid, and they will release the energy. That is lattice energy, right? They releases lattice energy. Okay. After this, we have seen covalent bond. Covalent bonds. Covalent bond में transfer of electrons. Sorry, sharing of electron. That is equal sharing of electron. Equal sharing of electrons. Equal sharing of electrons. Here we have seen example of like water. You can say H O H. तो यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इस बॉन्ड में, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन का और एक इलेक्ट्रॉन हाइड्रोजन का. यहाँ पे फिर से एक ऑक्सीजन का और एक हाइड्रोजन का, राइट? सो देयर इज इक्वल शेयरिंग, मतलब एक ऑक्सीजन दे रहा है, एक हाइड्रोजन दे रहा है. सो वी कैन से इक्वल शेयरिंग. दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड. Covalent bond can be of two type: polar covalent, or you can say non-polar covalent. इसको हमने डिटेल में किया था डायपोल मोमेंट में. पोलार कैन बी HCl, H2O, NH3, right? Non-polar can be CO2, Cl2, H2, BCl3, right? After this, we have seen coordinate bond. Third type, coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. That is formed by unequal sharing of electron. Formed by unequal sharing of electron, right? Unequal sharing of electron. I hope you are getting. Unequal sharing of electron. Suppose I'm taking example of, you can say, this is NH3. NH3 has a lone pair. If BF3 is approaching towards it, okay, इस बॉन्ड में दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन किसने दिए? नाइट्रोजन ने. Single atom has shared both the electron, so there is unequal sharing. Coordinate covalent में क्या था? एक दूसरा और एक पहले का, लेकिन यहाँ पे दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन कौन दे रहा है? सिंगल एटम. That's why unequal sharing. So this is coordinate bond. और भी एग्जांपल किस में होता है कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड? यू कैन से लाइक NH4 प्लस में है और H3O प्लस में भी कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड है, राइट? After this, we have seen valence bond theory. Valence bond theory. In valence bond, we have seen orbital overlap with each other. Like you can see, this is S orbital, this is S orbital. They will contain electron with opposite spin. अगर इसमें plus wise, plus clockwise, plus half, Here it will be minus half. They will overlap to form covalent bond, right? They will overlap. They will overlap to form covalent bond like this. Example can be H2, right? Another example can be like, you can see a PP overlap. P orbital plus P orbital. It has one electron. It has one electron with the opposite spin. Both will overlap. Both will overlap to form a covalent bond. Example can be F2. Next one, sp overlap. One s orbital plus one p orbital. They will overlap to form sp overlapping, right? Example can be HF. After this, we have seen limitations of VBT. Limitations of valence bond theory. The first limitation, according to VBT, number of covalent bond is equal to number of unpaired electron in the valence cell, right? So if we are considering carbon, first consider beryllium. Beryllium is 1s2, 2s2, so here we will have, you can say, no unpaired electron here, right? Both are paired. So according to VBT, it should form 0 bond, but it forms 2 bond. Here you can see it forms 2 bonds. That is BCl2 में 2 bond form करता है, right? Next one, which can be explained by hybridization only. You can take boron, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So here you can say it should form 1 bond, but it forms 3 bond, right? It forms 3 bond. This can be explained by hybridization. You can say carbon as well, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. It should form 2 bonds, but it forms 4 bonds, which can be explained by hybridization. If we will talk about bond angle, suppose in ammonia, XYZ axis are there. That is mixing and recasting of atomic orbitals. Atomic orbital get mixed and recast to form new hybrid orbitals. They are known as hybrid orbital. और hybrid orbital का shape कैसा होता है? Look here. इस तरह से, right? This is shape of hybrid orbital. After this, hybridization कौन-कौन से हो सकते हैं? We have done sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, sp3d3, राइट? हमने इतना किया था. नाउ इसमें हमने हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल कितने हैं बताओ? हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल इज 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड 7. हम इसमें परसेंटेज एज कैरेक्टर भी निकाल सकते हैं, राइट? परसेंटेज एज, हियर परसेंटेज विल बी 50%, 33.33%, हियर यू कैन से 25%. आगे भी आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. Now, how to find out hybridization? We have seen number of hybrid orbital equal to number of sigma bond plus you can say lone pair, right? And any bond, in any bond there is, in any bond at least and maximum one sigma bond, right? In any bond at least and maximum one sigma bond is there. अगर एक बॉन्ड है तो there is one sigma. If double bond there is one sigma, 1 pi. If triple bond there is one sigma, 2 pi. तो एक एटलीस्ट एंड मैक्सिमम एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड होता है, राइट? आफ्टर दिस वी हैव सीन हाउ टू फाइंड आउट हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. लाइक कार्बन का अगर निकालना है हियर, तो लुक हियर, CH4, right? This is sigma, sigma, sigma and sigma. So carbon has formed 4 sigma bond, 0 lone pair, you will get 4. So hybridization is sp3, right? अगर water का निकालना है HOH, this is sigma, sigma and 2 lone pair. So oxygen has 2 sigma bond, 2 lone pair equal to 4, it will become sp3. I hope you are getting. अगर PCl5 का निकालना है, so 5 sigma bond, 0 lone pair, you will get 5, so sp3d. Is this clear? Next one. After this, we have done VSEPR theory. That is lone pair का repulsion is maximum. Lone pair, then lone pair, bond pair. At last में क्या था? Bond pair, right? The repulsion is minimum. Then we have seen geometry and shape. If I am considering SP, in SP we can have In SP we have two cases, right? VCPR theory. Wait a second. एक्चुअली अर्षित एनोटेट मैंने बंद किया हुआ है. Wait a second. Okay, that's fine. Okay. So now VSCPR theory. We have done lone pair का repulsion is maximum. Then lone pair bond pair. And last में क्या था? Bond pair, right? After this we have discussed geometry and shape. SP में दो cases we have done. That two cases look here like this. 2 sigma bond, 0 lone pair. Bond angle was 180 degree. And one more case with 1 lone pair and 1 sigma bond, right? Then we have done SP2. Cases may be like this. 3 sigma bond, bond angle 120 degree. This is linear. This is also linear. This is trigonal, planar. We have discussed one more case here. 1 lone pair, 2 sigma bond. That is V shape, bent shape, or angular shape. Bond angle is here less than 120 degree. Then we have done SP3 with you can say first case 4 sigma bond. This is tetrahedral. Bond angle was 109 degree 28 minutes. After this we have second case 1 sigma bond. This is pyramidal, right? Pyramidal. Then we have second case 2 lone pair. Pyramidal, that is we have second case. Third case V bent or angular. Then we have SP3D. SP3D, we have first case 5 sigma bond. This is 90 degree. This is 120 degree. Trigonal pyramidal. Trigonal pyramidal. Right? Then we have first case 1 sigma, 1 lone pair. That is seesaw. Then we have 2 lone pair. that is T shape, or some cases you can say arrow shape is repulsion is more. Arrow shape. Then we have sp3 d2. sp3 d2, first case 6 sigma bond. Bond angle is 90 degree, octahedral. We have second case, one lone pair. This is bond angle is not equal to 90 degree. This is square pyramidal. Third case, two lone pair, 4 sigma bond. Right? Here theta is again 90 degree. This is square planar. Next we have discussed sp3 d3. We have done here two cases. Pentagonal bipyramidal. This is 90 degree. This is 72 degree. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. We have discussed one case here, like one lone pair and 6 sigma bond. This is distorted, octahedral, or you can say capped octahedral. Distorted octahedral or capped octahedral, right? I hope you are getting these cases. After this, we have done bond angle comparison किया था, आप कर लेना. That is not important for your FD syllabus. Next is hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding can be of two types. Intermolecular, or you can say intramolecular. Inter means within, अलग अलग molecule के बीच में. Intra means within the molecule. Inter like you can say HF. Here it is HF minus plus, इनके बीच में जो attraction होगा, that is intermolecular. Intra means this is OH, this is NO2. इनके बीच में जो attraction होगा, that is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is your ortho nitrophenol. Ortho nitrophenol. इसके एग्जाम्पल और भी हो सकते हैं, लाइक वाटर NH3. ऑर्थो नाइट्रोफिनॉल में इंट्रामोलिकुलर. Then we have done dipole moment. Dipole moment. सपोज अगर ये HCl है, इसका डिस्टेंस इज बॉन्ड लेंथ इज d, charge is del plus del minus. Then dipole moment nu will be equal to magnitude of charge into distance d. Unit is d by. And dipole moment is a vector quantity. vector quantity. Suppose if I want to see BCl3, agar mu is 0, then molecule is non-polar. If mu is not equal to 0, then molecule is polar. Suppose BCl3 discuss करते हैं हम लोग, B, Cl, Cl, Cl. Arrow will be towards more electronegative atom. So one arrow will be like this, second arrow like this, third arrow like this, right? So we are getting three vectors at 120 degree. So net addition will be 0. So this is non-polar. Similarly, CO2, C double bond O, double bond O, इसका arrow इस तरफ, इसका arrow इस तरफ, you will get nu equal to 0, right? Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone? Tell me, इतना सबको clear है? We have completed chemical bonding. Yes, Rayan, बोलो.
Sir, I had a doubt that in example for hybridization, sp hybridization, any molecular example where there is one lone pair and one sigma bond.
Example आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे तो मिल जाएंगे, मुझे ऐसे एग्जांपल याद नहीं है फिलहाल.
Okay, so after solving questions we'll get automatically.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Pravan. Pravan.
यस सर. सर आपने बोला था कि जो एसपी में 0 मतलब वन बॉन्ड, वन लोन पेयर और वन सिग्मा बॉन्ड केस अनस्टेबल होता है और पाया नहीं जाता. ये आपने क्लास में बोला था सर, मैंने ये पूछा था. तो
हाँ, लेकिन देखो मैंने बॉस ऐसा हो सकता है मैंने कहीं पे कोई केस डिस्कस ना किया बिकॉज ऑफ मतलब दे आर नॉट स्टेबल. लाइक वी हैव सीन द एग्जांपल ऑफ जब हम वर्कशीट सॉल्व कर रहे थे तो हमने केस देखा था sp3d2 का, राइट?
यस सर.
जहाँ पे वी हैव सीन XCF2 जहाँ पे 3 लोन पेयर एंड 2 सिग्मा बॉन्ड थे.
यस सर.
Have you remembered that example? XCF2, 3 lone pair, 2 sigma bond.
यस सर. पर
हाँ, तो मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ कि दे मे बी अनस्टेबल, लेकिन आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते समय हो सकता है कोई कहीं ऐसे मिल जाए कोई कंपाउंड जहाँ पे हो सकता है.
यस सर. पर हमने वो केस डिस्कस किया नहीं था ना सर उस दिन की, मतलब 3 लोन पेयर और 2 बॉन्ड.
उस दिन नहीं किया था हमने डिस्कस, राइट?
यस सर. तो उसका शेप और भी छोटा होगा, टी शेप से, एरो शेप.
लीनियर हो जाएगा ना फिर, लीनियर.
सर पर लीनियर में 120 डिग्री होता है ना.
180 हो जाएगा ना भाई.
यस सर. पर फिर यहाँ पे ये है ना सर अपना लोन पेयर सर, तो मतलब वो नीचे नहीं पुश करेगा क्या सर उसे?
क्या बोल रहे हो? यहाँ देखो तुम, यहाँ पे एक लोन पेयर यहाँ गया, एक लोन पेयर यहाँ गया, एक लोन पेयर यहाँ रखेंगे और एक यहाँ पे सिग्मा बॉन्ड, एक यहाँ पे सिग्मा बॉन्ड. दिस इज लीनियर ना.
ओके सर. थैंक यू सर.
Yes, Rayan, tell me.
Sir, also for chapter 1, will we have to remember all the formulas and
yes, you have to remember all the formulas. Yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
Tell me, chemical bonding सबको clear है? Solve some questions now. Please solve some questions. Question 1. Tell me shape of IF6 minus. Tell me the shape of this one. Everyone please try. Tell me shape of IF6 minus. Tell me shape of IF6 minus. Yes, Ravan, very good. Vedant, your answer is wrong. Yes, Rana, correct. Sarvin, your answer is wrong. Yes, Rian, very good. Mohak, your answer is wrong. Vaishnavi, your answer is wrong. Saurya Rawat, your answer is wrong. Yes, Vedant, correct. Gargi, your answer is wrong. Mohak, your answer is wrong. Yes, Ronit, very good. Piyush Kumar, your answer is wrong. Karthik, your answer is wrong. Satakshi Sinha, your answer is wrong. Mohak, your answer is wrong. Akshit, your answer is wrong. Vaishnavi, you have to tell me the shapes from the list which I have given. You can't form shape by your own. Satakshi, your answer is wrong. Yes, Rizul, your answer is correct. Karthik, your answer is correct. Sanika, your answer is correct. Yatharth wrong. Ivan wrong. Pranav wrong. Mohak wrong. Om wrong. Yes, Sakshi correct. Sarvin correct. Anup wrong. Ivan wrong. Tell me, done everyone? Now look here. This is the case with 6 sigma bond, 1 lone pair, right? 7. sp3d3. 6 sigma bond, 1 lone pair. This is distorted octahedral. Or you can say capped octahedral. Is this clear now? Tell me. मोहक आप लोग कुछ क्या बोल रहे थे? ट्रायगोनल, Distorted, octahedral. What is that? जो शेप मैंने दिया है वही बोलना है. मोहक, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग यू. ऑनलाइन लिखा था का क्या मतलब है? Is this clear to everyone? Now try next one. Compare bond angle of BCl3 and CO2. बताओ किसका कम है किसका ज्यादा है? Tell me. Tell me the bond angles. किसका ज्यादा है? Tell me. Yes, Rana, very good. Mohak, right. Om, right. Shravan, your answer is wrong. Yes, right. Yes, I hope you understood this question. Bond angle in BCl3 is 120 degree and in CO2 it is 180 degree, right? It is very simple. Yeah, correct. Next one. Find out formal charge on central oxygen in O3. Tell me this one. Formal charge on central oxygen in O3. Please solve this. Yes, Satakshi, right. Yes, Vaishnavi, correct. Sarvin, correct. Yes, Rana, very good. Vedant, your answer is wrong. Find out formal charge on central oxygen in O3. Om Khargar, your answer is wrong. Rachit, your answer is wrong. Karthik, your answer is wrong. Mohak, your answer is wrong. Yes, Sarvan, it is correct. Rizul, correct. Mohak, correct. Ivan, right. Pranay, your answer is wrong. Anup, right? Yes, Mohak, your answer is correct. Vedant, your answer is wrong. Yes, Ron is correct. Vedant, your answer is wrong. Okay, so correct answer is +1. Yes, Rana, I will tell you the target, don't worry. Correct answer is +1. इसमें क्या एक्सप्लेन करना, इतना सिंपल तो है, देख लो जरा. एक मिनट रुको. Actually, you have to take O here. O. Right now, formal charge will be equal to 6 minus 2 minus 1 by 2, 6. So you will get +1. Is this clear to everyone? Tell me, is this clear now? अभी क्लियर है? रियान क्या हो गया बताओ, फॉर्मूला तो लगाया मैंने, सिर्फ स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करने के लिए एक बार लेक्चर रिकॉर्डिंग फिर से देखो तुम. रियान, मैंने सारे स्टेप्स आज भी एक्सप्लेन किए हैं वापस से, फिर भी नहीं समझा, गो थ्रू लेक्चर रिकॉर्डिंग और ज्वाइन द डाउट सेशन. लेकिन डाउट सेशन ज्वाइन करने के लिए आप लोग बहुत बिजी रहते हो, आई थिंक किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं होता. Is this clear? I hope this is clear to you all. इतना सबको क्लियर है? यस, आई स्टॉप शेयरिंग. इतना सबको क्लियर है? So look here. Prepare all the chapter. There are total 4 chapters for MT, right? You have to prepare each and every chapter very well. Clear all your concepts. Go through lecture recording if you want. You can contact me for the doubts on my personal chat as well as on the group doubt group if you have any doubt. And our target for this major test is 100 plus marks in chemistry. Please make a note of it and you have to achieve that target. Our target is 100 plus marks in major test for chemistry. हाँ राणा, देखते हैं. Our target is 100 plus. अगर आप फुल लाओगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You can do that. Marking scheme is +4 -1 for major test. $30 question from each subject. 30 question from each subject. Marking scheme is +4 -1. So our target for chemistry is 100 plus. सबको क्लियर है टारगेट? टोटल मार्क्स फॉर केमिस्ट्री इज 120 ना. मैं बोल तो रहा हूँ 30 क्वेश्चन. 30 into 4 करो, कितना आता है? टेंथ में और मैथमेटिक्स इतने स्ट्रांग कैसे है फिर? Is this clear? देखते हैं. You can score full marks as well. No issue in that. If you want, you can full marks. मुझे बुरा नहीं लगेगा. Tell me any doubt which you want to discuss. सताक्षी, ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी को बुरा नहीं लगेगा. जो तुम्हारे कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं उनको बुरा लग सकता है. सताक्षी, राइट? You can discuss your doubt related to MT now. You can discuss your doubt related to MT. मोहक, क्या बोल रहे हो? MT और TWT में मार्किंग सीम का भी फर्क है. मार्किंग सीम अलग है और क्वेश्चन के नंबर इन MT आर मोर एज कंपेयर टू TWT. भूपेन, TWT में there were 15 question, MT में 30 question from each subject. A marking scheme is also changed. +4 -1 is the marking scheme. शताक्षी इस बार जीमेट नहीं है सिलेबस में, डोंट वरी. We have not included GMAT. Not less time, you are getting 3 hours, right? Yes, Satakshi. Enthalpy is negative or positive depends on enthalpy, na Parth. Whether it is exothermic or endothermic, according to that, delta S will become positive or negative. एक ही पेपर बहुत बच्चों के लिए डिफिकल्ट भी हो सकता है, कुछ बच्चों के लिए सिंपल भी हो सकता है. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. Mohak, I can talk to your center coordinator, then I will let you know, beta. Okay, if you have any doubt, tell me. Yes, Piyush, you have to remember all constants values. You have to remember all the values of constants. Tell me any doubt. Satakshi, they are the constant. A and B are constant. और जो B है, that is your screening constant. Pseudo rotation in PF5 is not in syllabus as of now. You will learn in your degree level path. Even not in 11th and 12th. Yes, Satakshi, they are dimensionless. Tell me any doubt related to any chapter in MT. PF5, 5 sigma bond, 0 lone pair, so sp3d. Satakshi, that is sp3d. No, that is the exception because of bond length. In PF5, all the bond length are equal. That's it. Hybridization will remain same as it is, that is sp3d. Yes, path h upon 2 pi is h cross, right? No, Pranay, you cannot tell without making structure. Because if you will simply look at the electronegativity difference, then you may get confused. For example, CO2, oxygen is more electronegative, but still it is a non-polar compound, right? Because of structural. Yes, Satakshi, PF5 is trigonal pyramidal with all bond length equal. Whereas PCl5 में axial bond length is greater than equatorial bond length. पाथ पैरामैग्नेटिक जिसमें मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट जीरो नहीं होता, डायमैग्नेटिक जिसमें मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट जीरो होता है, और फेरोमैग्नेटिक जिसमें मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट काफी हाई होता है. एंड वी कैलकुलेट मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट बाय फॉर्मूला अंडर रूट n+2 बोर मैग्नेटॉन, where n is number of unpaired electron. Okay, thank you so much everyone, and all the best for your MT. Achieve the target. Bye.